90% of blockchain learners will never get hired. Not because they don't know blockchain, but because they have nothing to show. They watch tutorials, take notes, even finish courses, but when a recruiter asks, "Show me your work," silence. And here's the problem. In blockchain, knowledge is cheap, but proof is everything. So in this video, I'm going to give you 10 powerful blockchain projects that can literally turn your resume from just another learner to "we need this person." So today, I'll save you months of confusion. Imagine this, by the end of this video, you will have 10 project ideas that you can literally start building from tomorrow. And trust me, if you complete just 3 to 4 of this, your resume will look 10x stronger. So first project, a simple crypto wallet tracker. Not a fancy app, just something that connects to blockchain, fetches wallet balance and shows transaction history. Sounds basic, right? But this teaches you APIs, blockchain interaction and real-world data handling. And recruiters love this. Second, your own token on Ethereum. Yes, create your own cryptocurrency. Not to become the next Bitcoin, relax, but to understand how tokens actually work. You will learn token standards, deployment and transactions. And imagine writing on your resume, "I created and deployed my own crypto token." That hits different. Third project, decentralized voting system. Now this is powerful. Think about it. No cheating, no manipulation, everything transparent on blockchain. This shows you understand real world use cases, and companies love candidates who solve the real problems. Fourth, NFT minting websites. Before you think NFTs are dead, let me tell you, the technology is still very much alive. So create a platform where users can mint their own NFTs. This teaches you smart contracts plus front-end integration. Basically, full stack blockchain developer vibes. Fifth project, decentralized to-do app. Now you might think, to-do app? Seriously? But here, store tasks on blockchain instead of database. And now it's not just a to-do app. It's a demonstration of decentralized storage. Simple idea, powerful concept. And sixth, crypto price prediction dashboard. Mix blockchain with a little AI or data analysis. Fetch real-time prices, show charts, maybe even basic predictions. This shows you can combine multiple technologies. And in today's market, that's gold. Seventh project, smart contract for crowdfunding. Like Kickstarter, but on blockchain. Funds are only released when conditions are met. And this project screams, "I understand trustless system." And that's exactly what blockchain is about. 8. Decentralized file storage. Mini IPFS project. Upload files, store their hash on blockchain, and now no one can tamper with the data. This is slightly advanced, but if you build this, you instantly stand out. 9th, blockchain-based identity system. This is futuristic. Users control their identity, no central authority. Even a basic version of this project shows you are thinking beyond basics, and recruiters love that mindset. And lastly, 10th, simple DeFi app, lending borrowing. Now this one is your boss level project. Users can lend crypto and earn interest. Even if you build a basic version, this shows deep understanding of blockchain finance. And trust me, this one project alone can open serious opportunities. So now, pause for a second. See, you don't need to build all 10. Relax, okay? Because that's where most people go wrong. They try everything and finish nothing. So instead, pick 2 simple, 1 medium and 1 advanced project. Complete them fully, upload on GitHub, make a small demo video, and now you are not a learner anymore. You are a builder. See, remember, blockchain is not a theory game. It's a proof game. Anyone can say, "I know smart contracts, this, that," but very few can say, "I built this." So be that person. And if you are serious about becoming blockchain developer, don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one project, start today, and comment below "started" so I know you are taking actions. And if I get a good feedbacks, Then further, I'll be making a step-by-step roadmap video on how to build these projects from scratch. So make sure you subscribe because that video might just change your career. And see, your first project will be messy, confusing, maybe even frustrating. But that's exactly how real developers are meant.